Nothing beats living in a cul-de-sac. It's a great community, and it's so nice to see the kids playing outside instead of being glued to their iPads all day.
Shut up!
Alrighty then. This newly renovated home is perfect for any size family, with the ability to also include a 2-bedroom suite. Along with a spacious patio, this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is great for entertaining with its large open-concept living area. But the best part of this home is the breathtaking view of the water and mountains. With a view like this, you won't ever want to step outside your home. But if you do, there are some great options in the neighborhood. The home has some great parks and beaches close by, and is ideal if you want to get the boat out on the water. The Port Moody Rec Center is a short drive away, and the breweries and restaurants down the street are definitely a main attraction. So contact us to view this home, so this view can be yours.